How to initialize a two-dimensional array in Python. I'm beginning Python and I'm trying to use a two-dimensional list that I initially fill up with the same variable in every place. I came up with this. It gives the desired result, but feels like a workaround. Is there an easier / shorter / more elegant way to do this?
You can use a list comprehension.
A pattern that often came up in Python was, which helped motivate the introduction of list comprehensions, which convert that snippet to, which is shorter and sometimes clearer. Usually, you get in the habit of recognizing these and often replacing loops with comprehensions. Your code follows this pattern twice.
This way is faster than the nested list comprehensions. Here are some Python 3 timings for small and large lists. Explanation. Foo *10 creates a list of the same object repeated 10 times. You can't just use this because modifying one element will modify that same element in each row. X column is equivalent to list X, but is a bit more efficient since it avoids the name lookup. Either way, it creates a shallow copy of each row, so now all the elements are independent. All the elements are the same foo object though, so if foo is mutable, you can't use this scheme, you'd have to use or assuming a class or function, foo that returns foos.
To initialize a two-dimensional array in Python.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.